Good evening, candidates. I am going to tell you the topics that can be asked, say, in our SBI PO main or IBPS PO main or IBACIO examination or to CMDA JA. In Tamil Nadu, we are getting an examination on 30th, that is CMDA Junior Assistant. Even for that, these topics will be useful. Number one, pros and cons of digital economy, global terrorism, how to tackle it. Number three, unemployment situation during COVID. Number four, new national education policy. Number five, rising cases of molestation. Are we serious about women's security? 6. Growing digital divide among Indians. Number 7. The current status of women empowerment in India. Number 8. Life in plastic on the waste management framework. Cashless economy, digital India. Abrogation of Article 370. Digital currencies and the government decisions to ban them. That is about cryptocurrency. How fake news is widening social rifts in India. One nation, one election, a much needed electoral reform. Digital India, boon or bane. Startup ecosystem in India. India's future as a developing economy. Menace of Delhi's air pollution problem. Monopoly of companies, are they dangerous? Situation of healthcare system in India can be related to COVID. Digital payments issues in India. Growing climate crisis, the ways to tackle it. India's rank in the Global Hunger Index. Number 23, women's safety. Number 24, sex discrimination in the workplace. 25, impact of online education. 26, environment versus development. 28, trade wars and its impact. Cyber security, agricultural schemes to curb farmer suicide. India's education system can be about new education policy, how to maintain our mental health, increasing violence and against marginalized sections, artificial intelligence, startup ecosystem in India, physical games versus online games, computer versus human mind. Should kids be exposed to social media platforms? Fighting social stigmas, global warming, impact and the control measures. Pros and cons of social media, rural life versus urban life, how to handle depression, importance of discipline and self-control, effect of fake news on social media, the growing menace of drug abuse, the impact of television and radio. Computer has made the world a global village. Secularism and national integration, how to prepare for an interview, suggestions for job seekers. Terrorism, the greatest menace, natural calamities. Tourism as an industry, energy from water and the sun, saving the endangered life. Cyber terrorism, how to counteract it, how to be self-assertive and increase strength of personality, how to avoid quarrels and be friendly with all. 59, job-oriented education, child marriages, this empowerment of women has already been given. Let great leaders inspire us. These are the topics I thought and I wrote it here. And looking at some more topics, supposing we go through another book where there are some essay topics. Let me try to find out whether I can help you in this. Oh, this is only English comprehension. Acha, acha. So this may not contain what we need. Okay. So thank you very much. I wanted to tell you, how do we go about writing these essays? Number one, see, whatever may be the topic, you discuss from the angle, whatever topic is given. First, you you must know about it. First, read about this topic. Read about this topic. Then formulate in your mind how you can present it. Formulate in your mind how you can present it. See, whenever your topic is given, you can analyze from 7 W's, which I have been telling you quite often. That is what, when, why, where, which, how, who, why. About any topic we can discuss from this. Pros and cons of digital economy. What is digital economy? When is digital economy used? How it is being popularized? Why it is being popularized? Likewise, you can try to formulate ideas in your mind. Then it will become a good paragraph and you can present it nicely. Incidentally, I may also tell you, I have given lot of essays on yesbank.in. There is a blog of mine in which supposing you go here and write essay topics. I think I already told you in the previous video. Now what you can get is essay writing tips, an ideal teacher. You want to read more, you can always tick this and find out how best and effective system of writing good essay I have given. Then I have written about say the ideal teacher. Teaching is a noble profession. An ideal teacher, ideal an ideal teacher with the spirit of missionary. An ideal teacher is not only a high learned person. Ideal teacher knows that knowledge is virtue. Ideal teacher knows the difficulties of his students. An ideal teacher takes a lot of interest in his students. Ideal teacher tries to be perfect in his behavior. Likewise, these topics, this way you can write about this. Okay. This is one topic, ideal teacher. Next one, SSC MTS Tier 2 exam analysis topic. Here, write an essay on rainy season. Write an essay on mobiles. Simple topics. Write an essay on education and life. Write an essay on responsibilities of good citizen. Write a letter to your father about going on a trip to Jaipur. Write a letter to electricity board about not getting electricity bill on time. Write a letter to law authorities about degrading law and order in the society. Write a letter to your friend about inviting him to a summer vacation. Write a letter to the librarian of your school to purchase new story books. So this is one type of questions. Another is SBI PO essay topics. I have already posted long back. These are the essay topics I have given. Bank recapitalization, a panacea for the banking sector. The non-performing assets, impact and scope of GST bill in India. Merger of associate banks with SBI, impact on Indian economy. Has Modi government lived up to its claims? Or digital payments and e-wallets the future of transition in India? Ambit and expansion of Aadhaar card scope in India. National Payments Scheme, advantages, disadvantages. Bharat Mala project, demonetization, gains and losses, triple talak, farmer suicide issue, should India accept Rohingya refugees, improvements in our education system, impact of consolidation, merger in banking sector, future of banking industry, what is the impact of Reliance Jio to other telecom operators, what is Bharat QR code, demonetization and its impact on Indian economy, resign behind increasing NPA, what is Cyber Swachhta Kendra, what is mobile wallet, GST impact, goods and services tax, sanitation cleanliness in India, pros and cons of allowing 10-year children to open bank accounts, demonetization of 500,000 rupees note, sexual harassment in workplace, China's One Belt, One Road project, present education system in India, women empowerment, SBI merger, good or bad, loan waiver, good or bad, impact of demonetization, Indian economy, is India ready for a cashless? So many topics I have given. You can just go through this. But all these topics you must try to get, say, you can search in Google also what is the topic, what is the points you will get. Then you can make sentences. Then expected essay topics, I think this is all I already given. Okay, I have already given, talked about this. RBI grade B examination. This is another one. This is everything is based on, say, economics. For CMDA, this may not be required. For SBI PO, this can be used. Among this, let me select some topics. Financial inclusion for economic security. Progress of rural electrification programs in India. How can India strengthen its financial system? Women power, how to utilize in economic development. These topics I am selecting here. Then expected essay writing topics. Yeah. Fugitive economic offenders bill. Everything I did not tell. Aadhaar PAN link. Employment generation programs of India. Then child development programs in India. Same thing. I think almost all these things are covered now, except that Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Role of banks in countries' economic growth. This is not given. Electrification in India, divergence, rural and urban electrification, Mission Shakti, NPA management and prevention, role of IBC in bringing bad debts, sanitation, a neglected issue, the Lokpal, breathing clean, angel tax, all about fake news, lynching the law. Lynching the law. I think I have given an essay book in this link. Whether this will give you essays. Yeah, I am getting a lot of essays here. Good. You can make use of this. 42 pages are there in this. 42 pages are there in this. You can make use of this. So I will give this link afterwards for you. Then IBPS expected essay topics. This I think I've already covered. Next post. Yeah. Building a resilient economy, virtual judiciary, the focus of healthcare, deep nudes, then significance of Earth Day, how has coronavirus helped the environment, why liquor sales matter to states, then disaster management, quarantine and the law towards reviving Indian economy. So I think this is the same book. Yeah, this is not required because that is only yeah. Now let me try to give you some more topics. Yeah, I think I have missed that link. I have missed that link. I think so. Essay writing topics is there. Correct. See, essay writing, Lokpal Bill. If you want to read about Lokpal Bill, you can go through this essay. Then National Education Policy, you can read from this. Merchant Banking, an essay. Then some more essays. Future of Democracy in India. Everything. I have given you the essay itself here, boys. Especially CMDA boys. You can make use of this. Then place of religion in a modern secular society. I have given PO guidance for preparation. Then essay on poverty alleviation. Banking related general awareness, descriptive form. I have given you lot of links. You can make use of this. Okay, please make use of this. Then next post, I told you now nearly 250 essays are there. SBI 2016 paper answered. Essays given, effect of Pokemon Go on the youngsters, importance of history of a nation, positive effects of a hike in salary of an employee, write a letter on any of the following, write a letter to the editor of a local daily telling about increasing habit of taking selfies, write a letter to your parents regarding new job in new city. As the principal of higher secondary school, write the letter. So likewise, some more you will get like this. Essay writing, next post. Reasons to read books, essay writing. Women Without Borders and essay writing. Essay writing, SBI, CBO. Use the links given in comments. Okay, this is how you can do it. I think this must be sufficient. And regarding letter writing also, you can go into my www.sbank.in and put letter writing. You will get lot of letter writing. Letter writing, a few points, common written exam guidance for preparation, then letter writing, it must be there. See, these are the popular posts. Then if you search here, you will get lot of letter writing also. Make use of that. Thank you so much.